Noticed these bins around campus? These multi-stream bins help us separate compost, mixed recycling, and liquids from the trash going into the landfill in our local communities. There are bins across both campuses at locations like Tudor Campus Center, McCarthy Quad, USC Village, and Pappas Quad. Here is a quick overview of how to use them. Compost. This is where you can toss your soiled paper and compostable food containers and plates, and food items like banana and orange peels, apple cores, ramen noodle soup, and hamburgers. Recycling. This takes your empty aluminum cans, plastic bottles, and cold beverage cups, glass bottles, plastic coffee cup lids, unsoiled paper, and cardboard. Remember to empty all liquids before placing drink containers here, and no straws. Those go in the landfill. Liquids. This is for you to pour your drinks and any other liquids so they don't contaminate our recyclables. Empty liquids here before recycling their containers. Landfill. If your trash doesn't belong in any of the other containers, send it to the landfill. That includes items like straws, chip bags, empty hot beverage containers like coffee cups, sauce packets, and candy wrappers. Also, for those recycling bins that do not have a pour station, this is the place to empty all liquids. We all play a role in making USC and Los Angeles a more sustainable place to live, work, and study. So be sure to use these bins on campus and fight on.